Continuing to follow the aftershocks from the over 100-count indictment of Dr. Eugene Gosy. Gosy's office is scheduled to reopen on Monday, but with the top 3 insurance providers refusing to cover patients who go there, questions are mounting over how Gosy's office will be handling things. Our newsroom continues to be flooded by phone calls from patients who are struggling to figure out where they should go.
As pain medications run out, people are facing severe withdrawal symptoms, anxiety, vomiting, unbearable pain. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Ed Riley spoke with one patient who feels like she's on the brink of death.
No, I'm just in a bad state, and frankly, I don't think anybody cares. I really don't. I don't think anybody cares.
For 63-year-old Penny, life has become unbearable. Pain from fibromyalgia and a degenerative back problem that required dozens of surgeries can no longer be controlled because her prescription pain medicine written by Dr. Gosy ran out nearly a week ago.
Muscles have been all contractured. I've been vomiting. You name it, I've had it.
Penny is now going through severe withdrawals.
You can't breathe, your chest hurts. It's terrible what you're going through.
The disabled Niagara Falls woman said she split pain pills until they ran out, and she tried to get her primary care physician to help her.
And I was pretty much told to go to hell. They said they weren't covering Dr. Gosy's patients. They weren't bridging the gap. They weren't doing nothing.
Penny tried to find another provider, but the results were always the same because she is a Dr. Gosy patient.
I went on the computer for 2 days. I called every doctor that I could in there. Not one person was willing to help.
With nowhere to turn, Penny now feels helpless, and dealing with so much pain has left her distraught and worried that she could die.
I thought for sure yesterday I wasn't here anymore. And I don't know if I wanted to be. To go through this again, I don't know if I wanted to be.
Options for patients like Penny are shrinking. Not only is Dr. Gosy's office still closed, but the Lockport Rehabilitation and Pain Management Center shut its doors at the end of April. And later this month, the New York Spine and Wellness Center is closing its Depew location. But Penny is warning the medical community that they need to do something soon because she's not the only one now in crisis.
I can vouch for it. You're going to have a lot of dead people with this. You're going to have people that aren't going to be able to get through the withdrawal.
Dr. Gosy's office is still scheduled to reopen for patients on May 16th. But today we learned from the Erie County Medical Society that a task force is now looking at this patient problem. While it does not have a long-term solution yet, it has come up with some short-term options. Here what those are coming up at 6 p.m. Ed Riley, 7 Eyewitness News.
Such a difficult story. Thank you, Ed.